Here are some small benefits of using a whiteboard animated video. 1. Increases audience engagement. Whiteboard animated videos use hand-drawn illustrations and animations to tell a story, which is visually engaging and keeps the audience interested. 2. Simplifies complex ideas. Whiteboard animated videos are great for explaining complex concepts in a simple and easy-to-understand way. The visuals and narration work together to simplify even the most difficult of topics. 3. Cost-effective. Whiteboard animated videos can be created quickly and at a lower cost than other forms of video production, making them a great option for businesses and organizations with a tight budget. 4. Versatile. Whiteboard animated videos can be used in a variety of settings, including presentations, training sessions, and marketing campaigns. They are versatile and can be customized to fit a wide range of needs. 5. Increases retention. Studies have shown that people remember more of what they see and hear compared to what they read. With its visual and auditory components, a whiteboard animated video is an effective way to increase information retention. 6. Boosts brand recognition. A well-crafted whiteboard animated video can help build brand recognition and awareness by incorporating branding elements such as colors, logos, and messaging. 7. Shareable. Whiteboard animated videos are highly shareable on social media platforms, which can help increase visibility and reach a wider audience.